Hi, in the next 2.5 minutes, I will show you how any business can drastically decrease the cost of sales by using our app. More importantly, you will see how anyone good at language can make a couple of thousand extra income by doing something they're really good at. E-commerce cannot exist without words. Here you have a graph showing about $1 billion of sales and their sources. If you take away words from search, you wouldn't have search. Basically, you can take away $340 million from your online business. If you take away words, you actually wouldn't have any product descriptions, which means that none of these people would know what to buy. Basically, you can close your shop, sit down on your sofa, and go back to TV shop again. The problem with online content is that it's hard. Every site and every ad has specific rules and formats that you have to follow, such as minimum and maximum character count, keyword density. More importantly, there's a workflow. A writer sends text to an editor by email. The editor might or might not accept it. Then it goes to a publisher. The publisher then uploads it to the site, so the text actually generates money. If you want to find a job as a writer, you have to go to a site like freelancer.com, where it will take you 50% of your time to actually find a job, which means that the price for the client will be reflected in that. Simply put, there is no simple way for a publisher to source text. They have to find writers, and the writers have to use tools such as Microsoft Word, which is actually intended for written content, not online content. Obviously, we have a solution, and the solution allows publishers to source texts in exactly the format they want at market prices with the rules they want, so that the writer can focus on writing, not finding the jobs or figuring out the workflow. And the app is free for anyone to use, so small sites can compete with giants such as Flipkart or Amazon. The market is huge. It's currently worth about $200 billion, and we're after about 10 billion of it. There's only 3 certainties in life. You die, you have to pay taxes, and a content project goes bad. We take a commission when that happens. Right now, we're cash flow positive, and about a couple of weeks from being break even. Right. My name is Cem. I have my co-founder Jörn here. I would love to talk to you guys. Please find us.
The 4th fact in life, you ran out of time. And not a lot of people understood what exactly you're doing. Do you have screenshots? What do you do in a very brief sentence?
It's basically a word processor that allows a publisher to source text instead of finding people.
Okay. I hope when you meet people, they'll be more clear. If I were you, I'll put screenshots. If you're live, it could have been a lot more impressive, maybe.
Okay.
That's a good pitch.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you.